Hey there DIYers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of leaf blowing and maybe mulching, and then we're going to check out my wife's she shed because it's been some time since we've been in there. But earlier today when I was cooking out, grilling out, I was looking out and there was a little cat that was on top of the roof, and then saw a little kitty come around to the side, so it's hanging around there. So we're just going to check it out, see what's going on. Again, it's been a while since we've even been in there, see if there's kind of critters maybe living in there. There shouldn't be any, maybe lizards. That'll be about it. Anyway, I'm going to do some probably time lapse of the leaf blowing, and then do some mulching, and let's get to it. Okay, sun setting, and we'll just jump in here real quick to see what we can see. Doesn't look too bad. I don't see any no big animals living in here. Just some bugs and maybe some lizards. It doesn't look like there's too much poop. So, report back to the wife. She'll be happy about this. Let's see about that spot up there. Yep, looks pretty good. Okay, well, so there you go. I got most of it done, but not all. There's still a lot more yard work to do. Since we got back from Vegas, there's just like, man, it's amazing how many leaves came off the trees. And then, oh look, I don't know if you can see, there's a deer. See that deer over there? They always like coming up in the evening time, snacking, crazing. But anyway, yeah, there's always more to do here. But I tell you, that mulching, it's better than burning the leaves. And certainly out here in the country, I'm not bagging up all that stuff. And I actually did this when I was living in Indianapolis in a residential area. I just piled up all the leaves and I mulched them, and then it minces them up, and they're like pretty much just, you know, the wind takes them, or they just burrow down into the grass to help nourish the lawn. So I always found that mulching seems to have always did the trick for me. Anyway, beautiful evening. It was like, got almost 70 today. It was November 15th. I just like the how beautiful that looks, the skyscape with the silhouette of the pine tree there. I had a lot of neat night pictures I had taken when we first moved into this property. I always like that. I had some really great pictures, especially with the river down there. Anyway, I'm done for the night. Gonna wrap up, clean up, and turn in for the evening. Enjoy a good evening with my wife. Anyway, hey, if you like this content, appreciate if you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and until next time,